It's time for a mail call and shout out video, but this one is just envelopes. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure, and I've got 23 envelopes here from 15 different senders over the last couple of weeks. And as promised in my last live stream, I said I would do 2 shout out episodes this weekend. One for just envelopes since I have so many, and another one coming out in the next day or two for the packages. That being said, since we do have 23 envelopes from 15 senders, I got to get to opening them. As a reminder, if I have any channel information for any one of these senders of the envelopes, it'll be listed down below in the video description. Please check out their channels and support the other coin community members. Let's kick off today's first envelope with Panda. So as expected, Panda sent me a few more where'sgeorge.com bills, a $2 one and a $1 one. Remember, I use these on my live streams as giveaway packages, and those that receive them, if you could enter them into where'sgeorge.com as well, that'd be awesome. For those wondering, I do. Thanks again, Panda, for the $2 bill and the $1 bill. I'll be using them on my next stream, and I appreciate the package, my friend. My next package comes from Big Mill. OG22. Big Mill says he hopes that we had a good vacation. You know we did, brother. Big Mill also gave me number 3 out of 100 for his channel sticker. Gotta love it, number 3 out of 100, and he gave away some extras, which I can use on my streams. Big Mill, love your channel sticker, brother. That is something special. Big Mill Hunt Silver, Be Good Humans, with the Big Ben on it. Thanks again, brother, for the channel stickers, and thank you for being my brother. My next letter comes from John Oof Koins. Very cool channel sticker that he sent along with it. Look at that, it's got like the JFK because it's John Oof, capital F, K for coins. He's on YouTube. Check out his channel down below. I really love the channel sticker there. Very creative, as well as your newsletter. The next 3 envelopes I received were all from VDB Coin Roll King. So I received 3 different letters from VDB Coin Roll King. Figured I'd show them all. He found his first proof penny in one of his penny boxes recently. How cool is that? A 1998 S. He knows I love bird cents, so he sent me a couple of nice Canadian bird cents. In his second package, he says, here's a stunner. He found it coin roll hunting, and take a look at this Canadian 1965. Holy cow, you're right. That is a stunner. That might even upgrade my album. Thank you, VDB Coin Roll King. And then finally, he found this nickel on one of his nickel hunts. He doesn't really think it's a Black Beauty, but it's still a really nice nickel, and he's right. It is not a Black Beauty, but still, it's a very cool find nonetheless. For those wondering what a Black Beauty is, in 58 and 59, the mint had a problem with the annealing process. They overheated some of the nickel planchets, so when they struck them, they were a little bit blackened or darkened, and that's why they call them the Black Beauty. Usually you can tell if they're Black Beauties by the luster still being on them, even though they're black. And this one does have some diminishing luster, like it was heated after the minting process, or somebody artificially toned it this way. To any extent, I do like to pull those out. One of these days, I'm going to grab all of my darkened nickels and probably make a dark nickel album as well. Thanks again for the 3 packages, VDB Coin Roll King. I'll add them to my collection, and I appreciate it very much. My next envelope comes from Gage. Gage is a young collector in Colorado. Been collecting for about 7 months now, or at least watching my channel for the last 7 months. And he can't always watch every stream all the way through, but he watches as much as he can. He has yet to win one of my giveaways, but is optimistic that he'll win one eventually. In his coin collection, his favorite coins are an 1858 Flying Eagle, an 1859 Indian Head, a 1909 VDB, and a 41 Mercury Dime. He has a few questions. He says he's taken a pencil eraser and cleaned the front of this wheat penny and half of the back, as you can see. And he has a few questions. Does cleaning the coin increase or decrease the value? What does this do to the coin? Is it bad? And how's your day been going? My day's going well. I'm actually getting a mail call done on the Saturday, and I did a lot of yard work today, so that makes me happy. Now, is it bad to clean coins? Absolutely. Does it increase or decrease the value of the coin? It absolutely decreases the value. What does it do to the coin? It's a great question. You know, a lot of people think that if you use a pencil eraser, it's softer and it's safer. And some people think that if you use other cleaning chemical products, that it might be okay. In my opinion, you should never, ever, ever clean any coin at all. That being said, I do understand sometimes when you have a common date wheat cent like this one, and it's needed for your album, and you want to spiff it up a little bit, from the naked eye, it does look better. Let's face it, the half clean part does look better than the darkened part, if you don't like natural toning. But let's put it under the microscope and kind of show you what does happen when you clean your coins. So we'll start with the unclean side, and as you can see, the toning is relatively consistent, and other than the regular circulation dings and marks and scratches, you don't have a bunch of cleaning marks. If I slide it over to the clean side, now you can really see, because of the heat and the friction and the porousness under the microscope of an eraser, you can see some of the cleaning marks that are left on the coin. There are a lot of microscopic scratches on this coin now because of the eraser being rubbed back and forth on this coin. So unfortunately, if you were to send it in for grading and you thought it looks better now, that's going to be a telltale sign. You've got blending of the wheat stalks. There's a lot of rub marks on this coin. So it would not, even if it was in great detail, it would not fetch anything other than XF details cleaned. So cleaning your coins does nothing to increase the value. Maybe it increases the eye appeal, but that's about it. And let's face it, coins have a natural luster when they're in great mint state or even AU. And once you clean them, once you do anything, you disrupt that luster, that natural luster, and that's easily identified by any grading service. So for all you coin cleaners out there, be careful what you do when you clean them, because even though visually they may look better in an album, they're actually worth less. My next envelope comes from a young collector named Aiden. And Aiden says, Rob, I was watching Half Dollar Make You Holler one day on YouTube and one of your videos popped up, and I've been watching your videos ever since. So he wanted to send me a couple of Canadian Tire monies that he think would look great in my collection. And you're right, I do have some of these. They do look great in my collection. And Aiden's hoping for a channel sticker. Not a problem, Aiden. I'll get a channel sticker in the mail on Monday. And thank you very much for watching my videos and sending me a couple of Canadian Tire bills. I had several envelopes from my friend AJ's Coin Show. He sent me some foreign currency. We got some Pakistan notes. We've got a South African banknote, as well as even a Korean 1,000 won note. You can't get mad at that. I love the colors and the artwork on the foreign currency, and I'll be adding those to the collection. He also sent me, and I'm super excited about this, a 1929 Canadian nickel. I'll have to check my album, but I believe I need one of these, and if I do, AJ's Coin Show, thank you very much. Very much. Sent me a bunch of 40s and 50s nickels. Can't get mad at that. A beautiful bicentennial quarter. Very nice. A bunch of foreign currency. Some tokens. A smooshed penny. And this one's from San Diego Wild Animal Park. I have been there. That's really cool. And then finally, a 71S. He knows I struggle finding those in my boxes. Lincoln Cent. And a couple of Wheaties, a 55D and a 1918 Philadelphia. Very, very, very thoughtful package, AJ's Coin Show. And thank you for the number of letters you sent over the last couple of weeks. My next envelope comes from Minnesota Stacker. He says, Rob, what kind of channel videos should I do? Well, it's up to you, Minnesota Stacker, but keep this in mind. If you're going to post a lot of videos, you got to post stuff that you like to do. So if you're going to do coins, and you like the coin roll hunt, that'd be a good start. If you just like coins and you want to go ahead and just show off your collection, that might be fun. But again, it's up to you. Always do a YouTube channel that you enjoy doing because it is a lot of work and it takes a while to grow it. Minnesota Stacker says he hopes that I find silver again this year near his homecoming. I found silver last year, but he lost the homecoming game even though I found silver. So he's asking if I want to go ahead and trade that out this year so that he can get a W and maybe I don't find silver. You know what, Minnesota Stacker? Let's both win. How about you win your homecoming game and I get some silver? That'd be really cool. At the end of the day, he sent me 3 coins, a 1993 Mexico City peso, as well as a 65 Canadian penny and a 46 wheat cent, which he got in change from the same store. Thank you for the kind letter. I know it's already past your homecoming game. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you got the W. What's this? A package from Cool Stacks? Let's see what Silver Seeker sent me. Ah, I remember what this is now. I am a Silver Seeker Gold member on his channel. Please enjoy your Seeker card as well as the bonus silver coin that I have included with your Gold member pack. Remember guys, Silver Seeker's channel does allow for memberships. There's different tiers. I won't get into all the perks of those, but I decided to be a Gold member on his channel, and one of the perks I get, boom, Silver Seeker Gold member. You can't get mad at that. Seeker himself, and ha 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 Seeker, you even made you with a gold tone because I'm a Gold member. Unbelievable. Thank you very much, my brother. And you know I can't get mad at a little extra silver in the package. Check out Silver Seeker's channel. It's down below. And I wonder if you're a member like I am. My next envelope comes from a collector by the name of Garrett. He's 9 and he started coin collecting about 4 months ago because he found his first Wheatie. Here's a couple coins I thought you might like. P.S. You're the best YouTuber. Well, thank you very much, Garrett. That's very kind of you. And take a look at the goodies he sent. A 36 Philadelphia, a 41 Philadelphia, a 44 Philly, a 56 Denver, a 55 Philadelphia, a 56 Philly, a 58 Denver, and a 58 Philly. More Wheaties for my collection from Garrett. Thank you very much. My next envelope comes from JD Lauan. I could have said that wrong. Maybe it's Lauan or Luan. But either way, JD, I remember you. He says it's him again, and he watched the Mail Call 67 that he mailed me a 100 peso note with a fancy serial number. I do remember that. I liked it very much. And look at the packaging on this. This time he sent me a 44 US Philippines 5 centavos coin. Love those. It even says, even though it's from the Philippines, United States of America on it. Love, love, love those older coins like that. That is so cool. And a 2014 commemorative 5 peso late Gulf landing 70th anniversary coin. And this thing is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I'll add these to the collection, JD. Thank you very much for thinking about me again, brother. And I appreciate the kind words as well. This is quite the surprise. I had someone from up north in Canada, my friend Behrend, send me some nickels I needed for my collection. He says he's only missing a few, a 25 and a 26, and if I flip it around, be careful to hide his information, you can see his collection right there. What a cool picture. Just a 25 and 26 far 6 is missing out of his collection. Very, very cool. And for me, he sent me a 31, 34, 37, 49, and a pretty nice 1961. He has some other notes in here. He says he's gotten 38 out of the 57 5-cent silver for his set. Man, that's pretty awesome. I think I have like 5 or 6. Onto the coins, because these are the things we love to see. Look at these nickels I needed for my collection. 37, 61, and that is nice. A 49, a 34, and a 31. So between these ones and that other nickel I received earlier, I'm going to be that much closer to getting my book complete as well. Barend. Very unexpected surprise package from up north in Canada. Happy hunting and good luck finding your few last nickels for your book, as well as the ones you need for your silver album. Unbelievable. My next envelope comes from Julian Collects. Right there. He's got a YouTube channel named Julian Collects. I'll have it listed down below. There's a lot on this letter, and Julian, I read the whole thing, and I'll take care of you for sure. But I just wanted to mention, he sent a 1985 1 peso coin from the Philippines. Gotta love it. That is a beauty. As well as a couple of 10 peso commemorative coins. And I believe he'd like for me to use these in a giveaway on my channel in a future stream. Julian Collects, I will definitely add him to my stream packages. I'll give him away as soon as I can. And I thought it was really cool of you saying, if I ever come visit, the Philippines would love to have me. Cool story here is my father actually lives in the Philippines in Gloria. For those that didn't know that. Thanks again, Julian. Appreciate it very much. And happy hunting, my friend. My next package comes from Darren Garcia. He's been with me for a very long time. Matter of fact, he was one of my original either 250 sub or 500 sub giveaway winners, if I recollect. He sent me some goodies, and for sake of time, I'm not going to run through them under the microscope, but a few beautifully toned coins, some die-cracked pennies, as well as a lovely tone with good luster, 1955 Philadelphia wheat cent. That is a beauty. Well, add them to the collection, brother, and thank you once again for the nice words. Today's final envelope comes from Logan B. He's got a simple request here. My name is Logan, and I'm a huge fan. I was wondering if you could sign the $2 bills and send them back to me in the envelope that I've included. If you could also send a sticker, that'd be awesome. Because you're doing this, I put some coins just to say thank you. And he gave me a blue Ike token, 3 Wheaties, a couple of Canadian nickels, a foreign coin, and a 1939 Philadelphia nickel. I checked it out, made sure it wasn't the DDR. It's not. I'd hate for you to send that just for a sticker and a couple of signed bills. But Logan, I'll be very happy to go ahead and sign those bills, send them back to you with the channel sticker. Plus, you already sent me a self-addressed stamped envelope, made my life easy. Well, that wraps it up for my shout out and mail call video. Again, this was just the envelopes I received the last couple of weeks. Stay tuned for either tomorrow or Monday when I open the rest of the packages I received from the mail over the last few weeks as well. If you enjoyed this shout out and mail call episode, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.